Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand, one of the principals here at Don's Appliances, joined today by Anke Peters.
Hello, Matt. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing well. Thank you for joining us. Anke is our product specialist representative from Beko Appliance Corporation.
Yes. Good morning, everybody.
So, a lot of people come into our stores and say, Beko. Who is Beko? Anke, who is Beko?
Well, Beko is the new brand to the U.S. market that you probably never heard of, but when you come to Don's Appliances, they will definitely walk you through it and educate you about it. A little bit about Beko is it's an appliance brand, and it has been around since 1955. So it actually has a long history, a global history. You can find it in about 143 countries plus. We're consistently growing and over 70 years of experience.
Yeah, and what I know about Beko and what we know about Beko is there's a lot of high-profile, seasoned appliance veterans that have joined Beko here in the U.S., and that says a lot because when you have a lot of well-educated and well-seasoned appliance veterans joining an up-and-coming brand, that means there's some good stuff a-brewing, yes. Right?
That's the joy about it. So for me personally, I've been with Beko for 4.5 years. We came to the US in 2016. So we have 6 years plus now in the market of experience. And for me, being pretty much almost at the start of it, it's so much fun and joy to see of how we grow and the people that we work with. Like Matt said, we have a lot of experienced people, 20 plus years on the team. They've worked for other brands as well, and we all have over 5 years under the belt with Beko, and we just see how it grows, and we partner with people like Don's Appliances, and it's just joyful with this partnership to see how we can expand.
Yeah, and I know that you know, you being a Beko brand representative, don't really want to talk about other brands, but I know Blomberg, which is another brand of Beko, they've been here a lot longer than 2016. So, you know, to say that Beko as a brand has only been here since 16, but Beko as a corporation has been here a lot longer.
True. So Beko is actually only one of our very few appliance brands that we carry. We have other names like the Blomberg name. Another German name, for example, is Grundig. You don't find every brand that we carry necessarily in the US market, but we do carry multiple brands on a global scale. And we started out really strong in Europe, and now we're here in the US.
Yeah, and it's a very, very good brand. We have done a lot of research, you know, prior to taking on the brand. You know, it took us close to 4 or 5 years before we decided to really, you know, put our resources behind the brand. And I got to tell you, we are very, very impressed with the product functionality, the feature set, and just the overall customer experience. And what we like as a company, when there's a problem, Beko is there to help us get those problems taken care of.
Well, this is a partnership, Matt. So we partner with you. Don's is well known in this market, and you have to protect the name, and we honor that and value that, and it's a partnership. So we appreciate, after a lot of convincing and trying the product themselves, having it even in your own houses, I believe, in
Correct.
some of them.
Yes.
So we do appreciate you partnering with us on that end, and we do know, especially, every brand should stand behind it and take care of the end consumer and customers and your customers. But we know that's the number one thing. We need happy customers and consumers, and that's what we do.
Couple products that really, and I'm a product guy. A lot of people know that from a lot of the videos that I do. Couple of the products that I really, really get excited about. One is your dishwasher.
Yes.
I am a big fan of the Beko dishwasher, and what I like about it is there's price buckets for every consumer.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So just kind of expand a little bit on that.
So, I mean, it's a newer, growing brand, but the dishwashers, you're absolutely right. You will find something from more entry level, kind of $500-600 price point, all the way up to the high-end exclusive over $1,300 dishwasher. Of course, we add features to it, but even the very entry-level dishwasher is one of the best in the market for what it has to offer. You can't beat it.
And what I like about that entry-level dishwasher is that it's a stainless steel tank dishwasher versus plastic. It's very quiet, has 3 wash systems, 3 wash areas to it.
And would you like to know something else, Matt?
Please.
All of our products have 2 years warranty, parts, and labor.
Yeah, which in that price point, a lot of products only have 1 year.
We really believe in our product. We stand behind it. We want to take care of the consumer. We want to take care of you. So yeah, all of our products do.
No, and that's great to know, because with a 2-year full parts and labor warranty, which we at Don's Appliances service with our own technicians and our own parts department, rest assured that you have a company that believes in their product enough to add that second year that a lot of the mainline manufacturers won't do. Yeah. And again, in that price bucket, whether it's an entry-level price point or all the way up to the luxury segment,
where we added new features. Just actually, mid last year, we added something you might have not heard about it yet, but Corner Intense, a new wash arm that goes into every corner of your dishwasher, so we don't leave anything out.
Which is great when I put my Pyrex dish in the right corner that has lasagna baked around the perimeter.
We scrub it
so
out.
When I'm stuffing as much in that dishwasher as possible, that corner wash system will hit all of those areas.
And we added something else. We just talked about service. We added a self-clean filter to it.
And what's nice about the European style dishwashers is that with a separate pump and motor system and a separate filtering system, you're using less water, they're quieter, but the other thing is they're filtering out a lot of those smaller particles, and with that, you can clean it as needed, which means that if you're getting small food particles onto your dishes, you can pull that out to clean. But to your point, there is an option on the control panel that if you don't want to clean that yourself, right? So how does that work?
The self-clean filter?
Yes.
Well, there is a little wash arm underneath the filter. You can turn that on, and it just rinses out all the debris that might be captured in your filter. So a filter needs to be cleaned eventually, but here you just reduce the amount of where you have to do it, and it just reduces also the service calls on it.
So in between cleaning, you can just hit that, which is great. And what's great about our inventory level, we always push in stock next day delivery. If you need a Beko dishwasher, if you need other products, we stock an awful lot of the products. And if we don't by chance have it, I know Beko here in the United States has an expansive inventory.
We do. And we take care. We will help you out. You have it within the next 2 days.
Yes. So usually from ordering to getting, it's usually a 3 to 5 day business time frame. If Don's Appliances, if we don't have it in our inventory, but in terms of dishwashers and a lot of refrigeration, we do have that. Always go to our in-stock page at donsappliances.com. You can search by brand, Beko. And Anke, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt.
All right. Have a great day.